Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to the most prestigious institute, Divisional Public School, Lahore, Department of Social Studies. This is the lecture for Class 8, subject Social Studies. It is about Geography, Lecture 2, from the third term. This is Chapter 6, Natural Regions. Students' learning outcomes. After completing this lecture, the students will be able to describe the major regions in terms of climatic controls and their impacts on human activities. They will be able to describe the importance of selected natural regions in terms of climate and human activities. And they will also be able to name some countries from each natural region. Dear students, you already know the meaning of region. Region is a geographical or ecological area having physical or cultural homogeneity. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the region on the basis of horizontal distribution of temperature. But now, here we are going to divide the earth in further regions on the basis of physical homogeneity. These regions are rainforest region, Monsoon region, Mediterranean region, steppe region, Tundra region, desert region. Rainforest region. Location and countries. This region lies both sides of equator between 5-degree latitudes within the torrid region. Main countries in this region are in Asia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Sri Lanka. In Africa, Kenya, Uganda, Congo, Gabon. In South America, Brazil, Colombia, Peru, and Ecuador. Rainforest region. Climate. Because of this region lies within torrid region, the average temperature remains above 27 degrees centigrade throughout the year. The air gets heated and rises up, loses its temperature and causes rainfall. The average annual rainfall exceeds 200 centimeters, which is maximum in the world. It is because of this abundant rainfall that the world's most dense forests are found in this region. Hence, this region is called rainforest region. Our next point is about the human activities of rainforest region. The people in this region depend upon forests and associated products for their food, clothing, shelter, and economic activities. Agriculture plantation is the main economic activity. Natural rubber, coffee, tea, banana, and coconut are important products of this region. Monsoon region. Location and countries. This region lies within torrid region on both sides of equator from 5-degree to 25-degree latitude. On the eastern coast of the continents, main countries of this region are in Asia, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Vietnam, Philippines, southern China. In Africa, Madagascar. In South America, southern Brazil. Climate of Monsoon region. The average temperature exceeds 27 degrees centigrade in this region. The amount of rainfall varies. In summers, the winds in this region blow from sea towards land. These moisture-laden winds producing heavy rains are called summer monsoons. In winters, the winds blow from land towards sea, hence produce no rainfall. This is the short dry period of this region. As far as the human activities are concerned of Monsoon region, an important economic activity of this region is rice cultivation. Timber from dense forests, natural rubber, tea, coffee, banana and coconut are main products of this region. Due to favorable climate and presence of natural resources, this region is densely populated. It is making rapid progress in the industrial sector as well. Mediterranean region. Location and countries. This region lies on both sides of equator between 30° to 45° latitude on the western coast of the continents within temperate region. The main countries of this region are in North America, west coast of United States of America, in Europe, surrounding areas of Mediterranean Sea, that is Spain, Italy, Greece and Turkey. In Africa, Egypt, Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco and South Africa. In South America, Chile. Mediterranean region. Climate. Due to location in temperate region and nearness to the sea, the average temperature of summers remain between 10° to 20° centigrade. Contrary to monsoon region, maximum rainfall occurs in the winter season on the west coast, while the summer season remains dry. If we talk about the human activities of Mediterranean region is known in the world for its pleasant and temperate climatic conditions. Because of this attribute, it is also a densely populated region. Agriculture is an important economic activity for which winter conditions are very much favorable. Livestock farming is also an important economic activity. This region is known in the world for the production of wheat, barley, grapes, olives and oranges. Steppe region. The term steppe means grassland, a low precipitation region with enough rain for grass but not enough for trees. Location and countries. Steppe region lies on both sides of equator between 35° to 55° latitudes on the margin of the deserts. The main countries are in Africa, Mali, Niger, Chad, Sudan, Namibia. In Australia, New South Wales and Victoria. Central Asian states. Now we will look into the climate of steppe region. A steppe is a dry grassy plain. Steppes occur in temperate climate which lie between the tropics and the polar regions. Steppes are temperate environment with warm to hot summers and cool to very cold winters. As this region lies in the interior of the continents on the margins of deserts, the climatic conditions are better than the desert region. Average annual rainfall remains between 100 to 300 millimeters. Steppe region. After getting the knowledge about the climate of steppe region, now we will look into the human activities of this region. Because of adequate rainfall, this region is comprised of vast grasslands and is a major habitat of herbivores in the world. Livestock farming is an important economic activity. The single dominant crop of this region is wheat, which is cultivated in all countries of this region on vast grasslands. Among these grasslands, prairies of North America and pampas of South America are well known. In Europe and Asia, These grasslands are named as steppes. Let's talk about the Tundra region. Tundra is treeless region. Location and countries. Tundra region lies in the north of equator between 60° and 75° latitude surrounding the Arctic Ocean. The main countries are in Asia, Russian Siberian Plain; in Europe, Norway, Finland and Sweden; in North America, Canada and Alaska. Now we are heading towards the climate of tundra. In tundra, climate is cold and windy with no rainfall. Tundra lands are covered with snow for much of the year, but summer brings bursts of the wildflowers. Winter season lasts for about 8 months, in which the temperature remains below freezing point. Summers are short, in which average temperature remains below 10 degrees centigrade. The average rainfall in this region is less than 250 millimeters. Tundra region. Human activities. Due to extreme cold weather, the vegetation in this region is sparse and is comprised of the bush and scrub forests and grass. Due to the lengthy winter seasons, the trees do not attain their full height. Human activities are almost absent due to extreme snow. The subsoil also freezes and the land remains useless for any type of activities. A desert is a region of land that is very dry because it receives low amount of precipitation. Location and countries. The desert region lies in both torrid and temperate regions. In torrid region, it lies on both sides of equator between 15° to 25° latitudes in the west of the continents. The main countries of this region are: in Africa, the Great Sahara Desert, which stretches across 9 countries, including Mauritania, Mali, Algeria, Chad, and Sudan. The Kalahari Desert in Angola. In Asia, Rajasthan Desert in India, Thar Desert in Pakistan, Iranian and Arabian deserts, Mongolian and Gobi Desert in China. Let's talk about the climate of the desert region. The deserts in the torrid region are among the hottest and the driest places of the world. The average temperature exceeds 32 degrees centigrade and the daily change of temperature remains high. The average annual amount of rainfall is well below 30 millimeters. Now we will look into the human activities of desert region. Human activities are limited due to intensity of temperature and shortage of rainfall. Vegetation is not very useful. However, the areas which have groundwater resources are suitable for the date palms and dry farming with the help of springs and wells. People spend nomadic way of life in search of water. The region is also backward from the industrial point of view. As we are heading towards the end of the lecture number 2, I am assigning you all some tasks to complete at home. Read chapter number 6, page number 49 to 53. Write short answers of question number 3, 4 and 5 from the exercise. Write detailed answers of question number 2, 3, 4 and 5 from the exercise. Dear students, that's all for today's lecture. Now inshallah, I'll see you soon with the next lecture. Till then, take great care of yourselves and stay connected with your studies. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.